Jesus is the end of the law. That's what is commanded by Jesus. Christ is the end of the law. Romans 10 verse 4. Christ is the end of the law. Galatians 3:20-25. Christ is the end of the law. Hebrews 7:18-20. Jesus is the end of the law. Hebrews 10 verse number 9 and 10. Jesus is the end of the law. Colossians chapter 2 verse 13-16. Jesus is the end of the law. Ephesians chapter 2 verse 11-15. Jesus is the end of the law. Galatians chapter 2 verse 20 and 21. Jesus is the end of the law. Galatians chapter 4 verse 21-31. Jesus is the end of the law. Romans 3:19-28. Jesus is the end of the law. 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse number 1 to verse number 18. Jesus is the end of the law. Hebrews chapter 9 verse number 1 to verse number 17. He is the end of the law. This is what the Bible instructs. Jesus is the end of the law. John chapter 5 verse number 39-47. Jesus is the end of the law. Jesus is the end of the law. He is the end of the law.